Okay, students, so we will continue from where we had finished last off. We had started with the kinds of pronoun, and now we are starting with, as you all know, we have finished those and we are starting with the interrogative pronoun. Now, what is an interrogative pronoun? See, these pronouns will always ask questions. Remember, what do you mean by the word interrogation? The word interrogation means to ask questions. What are these question words? What, where, when, whom, whose, which, how? They are the question words. But now there's a little twist, okay? There is a little twist. What is that little twist? The little twist is that who, whom, whose and which, they only are interrogative pronouns, where who, whom and whose will ask questions about person and which will be used for both persons and things, and what will be only used for things. So that means in this interrogative pronouns you will not have what? No, how and when and where. Okay? You have to just understand that. Next is, they will always be used in the beginning of a sentence, and for example they will always have a question mark. You have to remember that because it is interrogation. So you have to remember your punctuations also. They will have a question mark. Now relative pronoun. Now relative pronouns are also, relative pronouns are words are used to join sentences by words like who, what, which, when and where. Okay, same way. But can you make a wild guess ke relative pronoun where it will be placed? Yes, it will be placed in the middle of a sentence. So I will tell you that who and whom will refer to persons. Okay, who and whom will refer to person, which and what to things, like for example what is in your hand, so like pencil, and that and those will again refer to persons. Again this will also refer to persons. Okay, when will refer to time, so this is our time. Okay, and next where is to place. So these are called as relative pronouns. And also it has, you have to remember that they will always be in the middle of a sentence. If they are in the beginning of a sentence, they will be interrogative pronouns, and if they are in the middle of the sentence, they will be relative pronouns. For example, listen to what the teacher says. Now see, what, it is a WH type of word, but since it is in the middle, see, it is in the middle, so it will be called as what pronoun? RP. RP means relative pronoun. If it is in the beginning of the sentence, this is the boy who is very talkative, this also will be relative pronoun. Understood? Like that. And if it is in the beginning, it will become interrogative pronoun. Then is distributive pronoun. Distributive pronouns are pronouns which will refer to pronouns or thing as a whole. Okay, like for example they will be referred by words like each and either or neither. So when we use the word either, neither, so we usually use it as a conjunction. Yes, but when it is in the beginning, middle of a sentence, then it will not be used as a, it will be used as a conjunction, but when it is in the beginning of a sentence, it will be used as a distributive pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun. Now this pronoun is used to represent or express a relationship, reciprocal relationship. For example, the two brothers helped each other. In this, two people will be involved. You have to remember that persons will be involved. We should support one another. So it means that you are reciprocating. Reciprocating means to give back, that way. Reciprocal means, this is actually even a reciprocal. है ना. You know what is the meaning of reciprocal? In maths, reciprocal means, what is the reciprocal of 4 upon 5? It will be 5 upon 4. मतलब vice versa. तो आपने उसको दिया, उसने आपको दिया. So this is called as reciprocal pronouns. Then is indefinite pronouns. Indefinite means, what do you mean by something which is indefinite? So it can be indefinite number of things or it can be indefinite number of persons. इसमें आपको singular plural का कुछ नहीं पता चलेगा. Okay, they will be referring to person or things, but ये indefinite होगा. We will not know that it is how many persons or how many people. Now they are referred to by what? So these pronouns will refer to people and things in a general way. Here the number singular and plural will not be known. For example, they are expressed by words like none, one, some, somebody, everyone, few and many. They will also come in the beginning of a sentence. So, have you all understood? Now your basic thing is that you should remember all your kinds of pronouns. So this is the main idea. Pehle you used to just remember that I, you, we, he, she. Now no, you have to remember, if you hear the word each, so it will be what? Distributive pronoun. If you hear the word many, few, everyone, so you should know it is which pronoun? Indefinite pronoun. So the idea to teach you is, pehle aap chote the, that was just pronoun. What is a pronoun? A word which replaces a noun. Now you have to know all your kinds of pronouns. So I hope you have understood. I hope you have understood it well, and you will be able to do exercise number 6 very easily. So with these notes, I would just like you all to refer to the textbook also. I've just given a simpler and a what you call a simpler version of whatever is given in your book.